But in terms of the outdoor kit, it's a fairly simple and straightforward setup. One thing I just must point out though, and it's the same for whether it's the modem kit or the non-modem kit, is that if you're putting your sound level meter into this, your sound level meter will come with its own preamp, and on the end of the preamp will be a microphone capsule. And you'll notice that on the end of the remote preamp is a microphone capsule. So when you're taking apart your sound level meter, you're taking this off to enable you to put the sound level meter in the case. You also need to take off the microphone capsule that's on the end of the preamp, because that microphone capsule is what you're going to put on the end of this outdoor preamp. So the sound level meter needs to see the same microphone capsule. So that's very important, because the microphone capsule is basically paired with the sound level meter. So it knows its sensitivity, it's been calibrated with that. So you need to make sure that that microphone capsule is the same one that you took off the preamp. And when this system comes from new, what you'll find is that sometimes instead of having a microphone capsule on the end, you'll have a black cap, which just serves to protect the end of this preamp. So this black cap is what you have to remove to take the microphone capsule from your sound level meter and pop it on the end of this preamp. Then you can calibrate, etc. So that's what you have to do. So just remember, it's the same microphone capsule, so you won't get two, because that microphone capsule here is actually tied to that sound level meter, so it's expecting that microphone capsule to work correctly. So just make sure you take that black cap off and put that microphone capsule, screw that back on. Just be very careful when you're removing the microphone capsule, because you don't want to remove the grill, which is this top part. You want to remove, you can see that there, this whole microphone capsule in one go, because these are very, very sensitive. And then everything will work fine with the same microphone capsule. So have fun with this, and when you're taking it apart, obviously there's an on-off switch on the side of the Optimus, which most of you will know, so you can turn that off. Make sure you take the power off and put the safety caps back on for your batteries, and have fun with your outdoor kit.